Neewer sent me their wireless trigger. It's got a layout that many strobe users will already be familiar with. You assign the flash and the trigger to the same channel and group, and you're off. Now, one thing that I found is that the Q4 didn't fire when the trigger was too close to the strobe, and that's the case when I'm hand holding it. Neewer know about this because they mention it in the troubleshooting section of the trigger's manual. It turns out there's a setting in the trigger's menu where you can choose between a broadcast distance of 1 to 100 meters or the near range wireless mode of 0 to 30 meters. 1 to 100, bizarrely, is the default, but it'd make more sense if the default were the other one. Change it to 0 to 30 meters and the misfire problem is gone. And a distance of 30 meters is plenty unless you're doing something quite unusual. If you use Neewer lights, let us know your experiences with them in the comments below.